Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we explore from the Blitz to today, UK disaster response strategies explained. Have you ever wondered how Londoners survived the Blitz during World War II? Do you know what modern threats we face now, like cyber attacks, floods, or fast missiles? Would you be ready if an emergency happened tomorrow? Imagine it is September 1940. You hear a deep, rolling siren in the night. Lights go out across your street. You and your family dress in layers. You grab your gas masks and head for the nearest underground station. You squeeze into a cold, damp tube car with dozens of strangers. You hold a small tin of biscuits and a can of water. The bombs fall above you. You feel the ground shake. You pray for the all clear. That was daily life for many Londoners in the Blitz. They learned to black out every window so enemy bombers could not see city lights. Stock up on water, canned food, and battery-powered radios. Share space in public shelters and help neighbors. Fast forward to today. The threats have changed. Cyber attacks can shut down our power grid in seconds. Floods can sweep away homes in hours. Drones and missiles travel faster than ever. Yet the spirit of preparedness remains the same. Here's how we adapt. 1. Know your shelter. Mark the nearest public shelter on your phone map. In floods, identify high ground or buildings with emergency refuge floors. 2. Use modern alerts. Download government alert apps for weather, floods, or security warnings. Sign up for SMS and email updates from official sources. 3. Build a kit. Water, 3 liters per person per day for at least 3 days. Food, canned goods, energy bars, dried fruit. Power, solar charger or portable battery pack. Communication, battery-powered radio, extra phone cables. 4. Practice drills. At school, work, and home, run simple grab-and-go exercises. Teach children how to find exits and use a whistle to signal for help. 5. Stay connected. Agree on meeting points with family and friends. Keep emergency contacts written down in a waterproof bag. In 1940, information came by radio and word of mouth. Today, we have smartphones, but networks can fail. So always have an offline plan. History shows us the courage of ordinary people under fire. Today, we have new tools, but the lesson is the same: prepare, stay calm, and help each other. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. In the comments, tell me, which modern strategy will you use first? See you next time.